But I mean, do we have 10k in savings? Yeah, like go 2k and just trade 1 to 2 micro just slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, so no, your top loss. I'm reading now, 2024. Your top loss was 5%. So yeah. You're around 1.5 then to 2% to trade, right?
Yep.
Because that's triple loss. Yeah, okay.
Try to do 1% per day, roughly.
Yep.
Right.
I think doing that on fund accounts are too little. I don't think you can use that little. But
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can, but
But that's the thing. It's easier once you build like capital. That's the
Yeah.
capital game of the world.
yeah.
I think it's okay if you're like still trying to learn though. Like if you're still trying to learn and like just create a side income, I think
Yeah.
like Carlos said, there's no such thing as too little sizing, right?
No.
No,
I
no,
agree.
no, absolutely true.
I mean, if you have a regular work and you just take out $500 a month for with like overall, I mean that's a good side income,
Mm-hmm.
right? We're not gonna be like that.
1 to 2 MNQ, if like
Yeah.
you're doing good, that should be like, I don't know, like, let's see,
500 to
like
1k a
yeah,
month. On good month. Yeah.
yeah, $300 to $500 a week or something like that. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty good.
It's
That's how it
Yeah.
should start.
$500 a week.
Yeah, 300 to 500 a week
Oh
on 1 to 2 MNQ.
no.
Up and down days. Yeah. You think more?
No less.
Less?
Yeah. You're overestimating one, at least one MQ, two also.
With two? I think two
I
is
averaged 2k on 4 MQ. No,
yeah. So that's
$500 a week.
$500. Yeah, that's like 2K.
But that's on 4 MQ, not two.
Oh, two.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, maybe like $1,000 then.
yeah. It depends. I mean, if you have 100 points weeks every weeks, yeah, it's gonna be a lot. But not the norm, right? Yeah, sometimes it's the norm. It's hard. It varies so much, so it's really hard to
Yeah.
like.
I've sized a lot more of funded accounts than that.
Yeah, I do also. 4 MQ on 2k is 10%.
Yeah, more than that even. Like on evals, I've done a lot more than that. Probably 10, 15 sometimes.
Yeah, yeah. I would love to trade evals faster, but I just can't.
Yeah, no, I get why you do what you do. Like it's fine, but
Yeah,
uh,
I do think it makes sense. I just don't wanna de-risk
yeah,
and risk more, and uh, shifting the
yeah.
risk. So yeah, we had a really nice rally yesterday. Yeah,
Yep.
making a oh, we are
100,
right at resistance also here.
yeah, up like 100 points from news earlier.
We might be able to hit 425 today on Microsoft actually if it rips. I kind of like that.
Zoom out a little bit.
I think I probably would scale most of Microsoft there at 425 and then maybe leave some of them for 440 possibly.
Mm.
We have good expiration though. Like we literally have May expiration, which is literally a couple months. So
Mm. Mm.
Carter almost up to 240, 238.5.
If my
nice.
XFA survives this drawdown, it's gonna be insane. I'm trading one MNQ on it, but
You can do it. You can do it. I had 400 drawdown left in my Lucid when I did 12 Nasdaq, and it survived 4 MQ all the way down up to 6k drawdown again.
Very nice.
yeah.
But
I had 20 though, and now I have 90.
yeah, that's very nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's just sitting at 3K up. So I made 9K with 4MQ. And it's not nowhere near close to payout. But
Yeah.
yeah, doesn't matter. It's going up.
No. Now, I'm gonna try. Like, it's not that much pressure because I know that it's basically done. So, but I'm gonna try.
And we have an hourly back test here in 40 points side here. It didn't get tagged on the pre-market pump here. I think we should tag that at least. Be interesting though, because this is resistance, right, Alex? Technically, we are
On what?
on Qs. Qs.
Hmm.
Overnight high pre-hold days.
What do we at? I have 617.
Yeah, on Qs is a bit higher.
$2 higher.
Just the EMA here.
Yeah, a little bit higher, I'd say, for
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, but that incline with the fill up that hourly in that.
Mm-hmm.
Seeing buying pressure on the Nasdaq contract pre-market overall. MNQ not so much. A really nice match of trade, Alex. Almost got hot tick. Right?
Yep.
That yeah, that cell that closed higher.
The best trader alive is here.
Oh, welcome.
Welcome.
Trader alive.
Yeah, we have
By
an
the way, I
imbalance above us here.
yeah. 450 kind of. I didn't blow my Apex. I took them away from my trade copy and I'm like, oh, they're done. And I looked into them and I had like $130 left, and now they're up to 1.4K.
Oh,
So
nice.
maybe they're updated. I was like, yeah, they are blown. Yeah, no chance. And like, wait, went into the Apex site and like, why it says I have active? Because I didn't get that mail,
Mm-hmm.
the next day, like they are done. So no blown account yet this year. That always nice.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Let's keep it that way. Let's keep it to where we have none.
It's gonna be tight for me because I'm taking payout on the case quite aggressively. It's gonna be hard to not
It's
blow,
alright.
I think.
If you took a payout, I wouldn't really consider it blown then. It's done its job.
Oh, then just the Apex account count as that I blow if you blow them. So we are on anything else.
That's true.
No, not the Lucid. 4MQ account. If I hold this trading, it should be into the summer with 4MQ, maybe early summer. Could pay out for that.
Yeah. I think every fund that I've blown this year, I've had a payout on, pretty much.
That's good.
Yeah, it's
Nice
better.
ROI. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have data today?
No, we don't really have that.
What we do? 10 business inventory. That's it. Yeah, I don't know why we're getting NFP tomorrow. Or not. Yeah, NFP tomorrow. Sorry.
Oh, delayed report. Yeah,
I didn't see anything about it though. Oh wow, look at Microsoft. 420 already basically.
yeah.
Let me see what
Hello.
these open up at. Should I take some?
Don't ask the paper hander, Philip.
Alright, here's the open. Ooh, 40%? Wait.
Oh, that's. Oh no, it's sold hard.
Oh, yeah, sold hard. There we go. Wait. My contracts are fluctuating. Hang on.
Yeah.
Waiting for my premiums to settle.
Yeah, I went to 420 to 460.
Looks like 36%. That's what it looks like. That's pretty good. I'll take that.
That move was fast, you know. But I guess it's like that when you sniper into like that. I hear some sound from a TV or something.
Yeah. I don't know if it's me, but it's not me watching. But
Give some time. Not really sure what I want to look at today, to be honest.
Reckon we have some
I think
selling
it is
points.
you. Your mic in the background. Should be able to get a retest at the lower end of the range here again. On the hourly, we have like a nice little higher low structure down to 340. Kind of like a H setup actually, inverse H. I don't know what I should call that. Should figure out some type of name for that. But it looks kind of nice.
Not seeing any selling pressure on the Nasdaq complex overall. They're going up. Even with this price going down.
What's holding us? Tesla? Tesla Meta?
Yeah, Tesla Meta. Abiego also soon. Simple.
Yeah, we're getting a little bit of buying here, but nothing super aggressive yet.
Apple
Nothing's really
also had
leading.
a nice week.
Yeah, we're just everything's wicking here right now.
You could easily sell this for also.
So 340 will be the retest of that lower end of the range.
I was looking at the hourly, like 300 or balance 50.
300? Yeah, that'll work too. That'll be in like an M setup then, yeah? Then we would look
Yeah.
for a loss of 300, fill the imbalance below, down to like
250.
250. Yeah, it's possible.
Yes, it's this one.
Here should be our push for the lower end of the range here.
I show the CD on the F6 contracts here. Doesn't mean we cannot go lower though. And then
5-minute close below VWAP there.
on ES we just be open.
That's on Qs, but we actually held VWAP on
That's like
NQ. Yeah, 350s VWAP.
right to open price here. Indeed.
I feel like we could hold this here for whatever reason.
If you want to look upside here, we look for
I have an unusual feeling to look long here, or take long here. Or at least around here anyways.
yeah.
Tickers are selling here.
Yeah.
We should probably wait for this a bit. Looks like we have room.
Also, do you go into down on low?
Nvidia has imbalance down to 89. Basically 90.
This is pretty sweet
190
high
flat.
coming through, but yeah, that's a gap fill for me. To 189.8.
This is also 5-minute GP here. If we decide to hold right at this area. It's actually not a bad spot. It actually isn't a bad spot at all. Nvidia should go for that imbalance fill. Come on.
Feel it, I think, but very, very precise.
Almost. Really close. Spot should tap into GP here as well. Tickers out support. It's not a bad spot here. I want us to take out that liquidity though. Right at 92.
Then we have liquidity as into April also. Macro.
Yes. Trying to hold the close here on NQ.
Yeah, this one takes supply.
Held GP there on the close. All tickers at support now. I wanted Nvidia to fill that imbalance. Came really close, but we might still be able to get it. Let's see. There it is. Alright, imbalance got taken out. Oh, nice hits.
Well done.
Took out liquidity at the lows there. Maybe we could see overnight low here.
It was a clean trade hit. Well, okay.
Nvidia sold into overnight low support. And liquidity here. There it is.
This 4 hour kind of sold there and not taking the high.
Okay, I'm long. In at 70 exactly. 270 exactly.
7, so your stop is at 40.
Oh shoot, I didn't change it. Yeah. It should be 35. 35. 35 stop.
So that is
35 points.
35. Where is your entry? 75?
70 exactly.
So 35 then.
Yes, 35 points stop. Gonna look for this to curl back up here a little bit. Maybe you can get some buying from tickers here. Yeah, stop placement is valid, I think. Oh wow, yeah.
Rice sounds scuffed.
Sorry?
No, Carl said it sounds scuffed.
Should have taken some off there. That was 40 points. Should get a nice push here though, I think. See some more buying from tickers. Yep. Get ready to trim this here. Okay. Yeah, alright, trimmed. 309. Not that terrible.
You're gonna have same stuff.
Yeah, I'll just leave it. Maybe we could tighten it a bit. I might take this full here though, not gonna lie. should I look for here? I don't know what I should look for here. VWAP maybe 340 or so. It's not bad.
Yeah, they could sell here because this
Yeah,
is
they could
low.
sell here. Yeah, you could put stop at new low of day actually. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Stop at new low. $64. Well, maybe you could do break even as well. I think either one's fine.
Google sold there. Some good.
I feel like it's a bit too tight though. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I don't know. Kind of want to give this some room to breathe. I'm not gonna lie. That's nice.
Still has that 45 stop. Right?
Microsoft getting a little bit of buying here. I want to see Nvidia try and hold this overnight low here.
Trying to sell it to them. Yeah, I sold it.
Some tickers are selling here a little bit. Tickers sold a lot deeper than I really wanted them to be honest. I wasn't really expecting that.
Did you move your stop to on new low day?
No, I did not. I have it the same.
I was gonna say that looked really tight.
You could. I think you could if you wanted to. It's less risk on
I'm
there.
trying not to paper hand. I'm trying to let this whole thing ride up 1 and 2.
I want us to
That'd be
breathe
paper.
only because I have a really good entry here. I don't want to get tagged out on a liquidity run at new low of day and just for it to flip again. So if I do take this stop, I'll be break even on a day. Actually, I'll even be slight profit.
Yeah, I just
You could maybe tighten it by like 5 or 10 points, maybe down to like 40 or something.
I think my stop right now is at 45 actually, so I would have to put it a little higher to like 50. I'm trying not to paper hand.
I just want to see the buying pressure here now.
Yeah, not really getting it. I'm actually trying to sell this more, but yeah, I thought we'd get a lot more buying pressure there. That wicked pretty hard and just got sold down again.
Yeah.
That's okay.
So you have a 35 point stop to 45 now, right? Or do you have
Wait, what?
70, 60,
70
50,
entry down to
35
35
stop?
stop. Yes, 35 stop.
Trying to be optimistic. Let's just not paper hand. That's what I'm trying to get my goal to be. Just let the trade run.
But we have not seen a break on the downside. it needs to hold this one.
Yeah.
Here.
We're just at the lower end of the range here on the bigger structure. You at least took a trim though, right?
I took one trim at I got a 07 trim.
Oh, nice. This is 17 here, guys. We should actually probably take some more off. That was a nice little pop. I kind of just missed that. It looks good though. Nice buying there that just stepped in.
My execution chart stopped working
Oh, really?
on motivate. Yeah.
Mine is good, I think. We'll see.
No, it lagged a lot. I was gonna take some profit there on the 320 push, and it lagged, and I just pressed the exit, didn't do anything, and then exited me some while. Weird. That was still nice.
Yep.
I got a 318 exit there. Very, I don't, yeah, very weird that it's like stuck, you know. I pressed, took off half there, and it
Okay, I just
just
scaled
stuck.
some right there. 21. I have 4 left. I think we'll have room here.
Yeah, I like 350.
Stop loss to break even or new low of day.
I like 356 here, or at least 347, but that's slightly above VWAP. But
I'm gonna do break even stops for me. 70. I have stop at 70 now, or in profit. You could probably do.
yeah,
I
I
would
took
probably want to see this go here.
I took out everything because of it lagged, so I just pressed the exit market button.
Honestly, I probably could have taken off full there at 30. That was actually really nice.
That was a lot of points, I think. I think
60
I made,
points.
yeah, I think I made 430 on 4. I don't know how much that is. 4 times 2 times.
You have an overhead imbalance on a 5 and up to, yeah, up to 40,
Yeah.
40 something, 50, yeah.
Yeah. I got 55
Yeah.
point there. So
Scaled some more again there
this is
at
if you need,
31.
but we have
I've-
slight more room to go here. So.
I have 2 left.
So do I. So do I. TP got
Oh, here we
hit.
go.
Oh my
This is
God.
our exit. I'm out. I'm out.
Oh, there.
There's the
WB.
VWAP Nasdaq. Nice.
I'm out there.
And we saw a lot of buying. Yeah, this could be a failed breakdown, by the way. Based on the CVD here, it looks really good. W pattern. I still see buying on the CVD contracts on the Nasdaq, but this is the 5-minute imbalance VWAP. But overall, I think this looks good. Based on ES here, also made a higher low here. It's good for actually continue.
We have data here in a second.
Yeah, I don't have any trade on.
I'm happy. Really happy. Love that target there. Beautiful.
$400 on my birthday.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Oh, happy birthday, Rich. Everybody say happy
Oh,
birthday.
yeah.
yeah,
Happy
thank you, guys.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday, player.
To
Yeah,
you. Happy
To the best trader.
birthday.
appreciate you, Deuce.
That's
He's
why
the
he's the
best trader in the
That's
world.
why he's the good.
That's why he's the go. To go. Wow.
I actually really like that one.
Yeah, I love that setup there.
I
That's pretty
didn't
textbook
like
for me.
it when it reacted. I liked it
I
when
he-
we took the
I
low and
hesitate.
then saw buying. So 280 again. I started to like it again. We saw buying there. I think this is just going to continue, by the way. I think it's-
I'd agree.
I hesitated taking re-entry on that.
It's alright.
Oh yeah,
So I was like, yeah.
Got your
You're
move.
fine. You do always better than us. also, and you got a nice gain anyway, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, I hesitated on taking re-entry at 70. Right after that, it flushed to 53. So
Yeah.
I thought, like, okay, all right, I will not take it. And right after that, it just pumped.
Yeah. So 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 I think like at 280 when we switched under the low and then so buying close at the high there at 280, it was very good, nice area to re-enter. And you would
Yep.
look for 315 first trim and then 340, 350 second. I think it was a really nice entry there actually if you look at the close candles there. So I actually added back full size there and then it freezed uh, on the same stop there.
That was a near bottom tick there, or at least on the first entry there, or the first little pop. That was near bottom tick. I had a really good entry. I was really confident with that trade. Yeah, no, it exactly worked how you said, Philip. We'll run the liquidity and then flip. See, I applied your concept.
Yeah. No, but you entered before the.
Yeah, I
Full
entered before, but I adjusted my stop.
Yeah,
I didn't
yeah.
I didn't even adjust it. I let it breathe because I was thinking that would happen.
I actually like that because I didn't like the B stop there. I think the stop to I mean the B stop or a lot lower, right? You want to see momentum there and go directly up to you up. And if you didn't do that, high chance we're gonna see that liquidity sweep. So that's why I added 2 back, but I did worse than you on this trade. I think got 55 points just because of that freeze.
Mm-hmm.
But that was correct move. Nobody else had freeze, really. Trade rate. It just stuck to me like totally like nothing.
Yeah, I
Worked.
think that was just you or something. I don't know.
It wasn't like I need to refresh the site and it broke. It was more when I pressed reduce to size, it just didn't reduce to size. Like it just froze there.
Mm-hmm.
And then in that split second, I just like triple fourth tap the exited market XLL, just because it freeze. I was like, I need to get out
Yep.
if it's lagging. But yeah, 55 points. That's nice. That's nice. Not gonna complain about that.
Always nice. Always nice.
Yeah, you got like what's 60 on full size, 62. Yeah, okay, it's
Yeah.
very. Yeah. But I took more risk on when that because I re-entered at 281.25. Yeah, back to original size after that sweep and bought again with the same stop. So
And just like that, we actually recovered last week's loss already.
Yep.
See, just taking things nice and slow. If we have 3 and out day, it's not the end of the world. Just so you guys could see, right? Had a red week last week, but slowly but surely we just build it back up. It may take a couple of days, but I'm
that's
actually
the
up.
hard part because the loss is gonna compound and the winning's gonna compound. Like that part is so hard on the top
Yep.
scene. It's yeah.
Like today's trade basically recovered all of last week's loss. Just this trade alone, at least for me, anyways. Not all of it, but a good chunk,
No.
most of it.
Today and yesterday.
Yeah, today and yesterday. Well,
Yep.
I'm up now
Yeah, I'm
from
up also.
overall,
Yeah.
so
Yep.
slight up, but
This,
it's still up.
yeah, this is a payout for me. I
Very
got
nice.
my
Congratulations.
on MFFU 1K each.
Yep. Yeah, so
I can't hold a drawdown on those accounts because when they take you live, you get 2.5 whatever your profit is. So if you have like 500 left and they make you live, you get 2.5. If you have 9K drawdown, you get 2.5 to 50K, and then combine those 5. So I on those accounts I wanna stay low because then they don't want me to go live. Like they're not setting me to live. It's a bit interesting idea because then they lose money on that. So originally 5 payouts, and they do make live. So I'm gonna see if I get 5 on those, if they put me on live, and I will get more money. Let's get me on live. See, it'll be interesting, I think, if they do that. Because looking at the rules, they don't have like you transfer some amount. It's when you get called to live, it's 2.5 per account. They're like nothing about the profit and losses.
Mm-hmm. So did anyone have any questions with that setup there? Do you guys know what I was looking at, or matter of fact, would anybody be able to re-explain the setup to me besides Philip?
Looks like you were looking. It looks like you were trading off of the GP from Microsoft, or not Microsoft, Spy.
Yep.
Use.
Okay.
Why can't I talk, Alex?
No, because you already know what I was looking at.
Yeah. We also made a higher high on ES and a lower high on Nasdaq. It's really nice in the overnight, though. By the way, I was watching,
All right.
and I was watching the CVD also. Yeah. And I watched the CVD also, which Alex didn't, but it was really good. Like I sent in the main chat. It went down from there, but just a higher low. So it looks super strong. So when it does like that, yeah, I think we're gonna trend.
Yeah,
But this is
basic simple terms there is that, yeah, it was a GP long there. Obviously we came
yes,
below the
right.
GP, yeah, we came below GP on Qs, but structurally we were looking for the same exact thing across SPY and Qs, right? It kind of was the same, it's just Q sold a little bit lower, which actually isn't bad. That's actually something we probably wanted to see. That way it will give us actually a lot better of an entry, and then our levels line up according to SPY there as well, right? So yeah, SPY held GP there, and then Qs ended up pulling down into support. We ran liquidity, took out the overnight low, and then also on the hourly structure, I drew this out. I think I mentioned this earlier. We had like a nice little higher low range that we were sitting in right here. So we pulled down. It almost was gonna look like we were setting up in an M setup here, right? So we had like this, we had down, another leg up, and then we pulled one more leg lower, right? So that was kind of like I guess a triple, or a double bottom or M setup, right? We came back down to the lower end of the range. And then we took long there after sweeping liquidity at the low at 76. So I just took a long there at 70, would stop 35 points, so well back inside of this imbalance down here. So I think the stop placement was pretty valid, because if we actually did want to continue to sell, this M setup probably would have played out, and then we would have looked for the fill of this imbalance down to like 200 or something. But yeah, we did that, and then the hourly candle actually closed really strong, so it actually got bought up, continued to hold this range, and is actually breaking out above the highs now. So this looks like an inverse H setup, I guess you could say. Right, because we have like the pull, U shape. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, let me see the percentage.
Yeah, I really like that long. I just was afraid that we were gonna go to that 45 area, but we took the liquidity. We actually found direct buying on the initial balance highs Tuesday, which I was watching also, which would be a test long entry, but getting that entry was possible. It was right on top.
I kind of want to take this 46% on Microsoft right now.
Yeah, I have a level here at 422. Do you have it, Alex?
I don't
Yeah,
have it, but
yeah. If you look on the left, it's a break, and it's a retest on the left side, right?
right here.
5 10. Yeah.
Oh wait, oh here. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I see.
So this would be first resistance. You fill this right.
Yeah, this would be kind of like a bigger zone though. It would probably be like something like this, up to 425.
Yeah, that's why I said 424.
Yeah.
And then you would potentially look at one lower high and you break with that if you want to see 450.
Hmm. Yeah, I probably would take most up here though.
Yeah, this is a good area overall to take profit on this. I think you are around
Yeah,
there.
hits. I am targeting 425 on Microsoft here. It happened a lot quicker than I thought it was. Only reason we aren't up more is because the amount of time we have on our expiration, right? We literally have until May, so we have a lot of time for these contracts, and they're 450 calls. So if we actually got shorter expiration, these will be well over like 50 plus, maybe even 100%, because we bought in, or at least for me, I bought in at like 402
Yeah,
from
so that-
yesterday. So yeah, that was really nice. That was really nice. I like that. Nice level overall. Yeah, this would retrace us back up to the 61.8. So yeah, I think 423, 425 really is reasonable, especially based on the daily on how much we've sold, right, from this high here. So we've sold from 483 all the way down to 390. It's about $90 down. So, you know, a light little retracement up to 425 definitely seems pretty high probability to me, I'd say.
I think 440 is quite high.
Yeah,
probability.
440 is also
That's-
nice as well, I think. I think that's just going to take a little bit more time, which is why I said I'll probably scale out majority of contracts at 425 and then maybe hold some runners up to like 440, 450 or so. But yeah, I like that. Yeah, look at, yeah, we're still pulling here. I actually might close, take a sell on this today, actually. Nice single day swing, but 3 months out. Oh, if we grab this week's expiration or even like 2 to 3 weeks. Wow, these would be up so nice. Yeah, 54%. We're getting a spike on these premiums. Wow.
Yeah, the XFA did not survive, unfortunately.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna pour one out for it. No, but it came down, like grabbed, and like it just like blew almost like at the bottom. So, but it's fine. I was sort of expecting it's just annoying, like when you know that just a little bit more, and it wouldn't have, it wouldn't have happened at all.
so not pressuring
That's
you,
fine.
Alex.
Mhm.
Alex, I need 1K more on my 150K straighted fund accounts, and that's 30K payout.
Hmm. That's really good, Philip.
No, it's 90%. So yeah. So then I can buy options again. Nice. I don't need that money.
Yeah, you could just give the money to me.
I can send you my old Volvo.
Your old what?
Volvo, my car.
Volvo.
I'm gonna send it to reparation today again. The battery is dead, and
I'll write it as a business
oil is-
expense.
Yeah. I think you can at least get 5K for it. So
Yeah, I'm gonna take this on Microsoft, I think. This is a really nice push here.
exactly what you wanted to see
Mhm.
here.
Wow, look at the keys here. Wow. It is moving.
Well, I said I thought this was gonna go higher. Why didn't I leave a runner?
Oh, nice. It's out at 1625. Nicely done. Nicely done. You get the same
Yeah.
entry as me. I had a 1055 entry. Yeah, you could have gotten stuff a little bit cheaper as well. You could have maybe gotten, oh, so a little bit higher. Okay, it's not too bad. Yeah, you're still over 50% though, so it's fine.
Yeah, and he also got another long on that full flag here, so he made money on that also. And then you got that 50 points short also each, right? Wow. How is your day? You're up a lot.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're up
Well done. Yeah, a lot.
a lot. Yeah, I'm taking this here.
Yeah, 120. Awesome.
Gonna sell a little over half.
Each, by the way, sorry, I'm gonna say someday I want to hear your voice. I think I never hear you speak.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever. Oh wait, no, I have heard him speak.
Never muted.
Never. Yeah,
That's due to
Perfect.
request.
He's working. This looks really strong on the 50 here. Also. I have noticed when the market go low like this and the CBD on Nasdaq going up, so if you don't care about MQ, the longs after recovery is very high, extremely high profit. At least if you make it tickers.
Oh, I had a nice exit there, 52.
I kind of wish I didn't take the. Well, no. If I like the first trim. My first trim was what was that 307, and then I let the rest of it just ride to 334.
Game, Alex?
You said what?
Wanna play a game?
Yeah, in a
Take
second. I want to send this beautiful screenshot of my chart. Or of this chart on Microsoft, because that worked out great.
Yeah.
That worked out great.
It's almost not possible to do that better if not like 14%.
I don't even think I seen red on this trade.
No.
I didn't even see red on the trade we took today. I don't think. Oh wait, no, we did. I lied. No, we did. Not net red on the day, but on the position. That was nice. Well, thank you guys for hanging around.
But
Yeah.
you know, Alex, I don't see all of it, by the way. Sometimes I don't understand them.
Yeah, I know. I also never looked at that stuff you told me to look at. I kind of forgot.
No, we could. One of them is Intel. So
oh, I think hits was an Intel, right? Weren't you in Intel hits? I think like a while ago.
I made a screener with ChatGPT together that I used on the USA stock market, and those are the top names in the stocks. But every one of those are like not probably like you're not gonna like what could you buy, but I like the screen away. I screen them, so I want to see it's screen based on TA plus solutions valuations. I mean, it's on a lot of primitive. So don't feel like that, but I'm just getting a second opinion from the ChatGPT for you. ChatGPT, so I just want to see how the screener works. But I could be interested in buying one or two of those actually, if the price is right.
Yeah, chart is at 240. That's really nice. CVX, let's look at that. What's that at? 180? Eh. It's not bad. VO. Almost back at entry again. I think it's just gonna take some time. I really think so.
Sniper, I swear to God.
Oh, nice, Amir.
Did you snipe PayPal, by the way? Yeah, you did, right? Rich.
No, it was like snipe PayPal. I looked at Logitech, and he told me it's not the best idea because they had earnings. I think like 2 days later, and I still didn't look into it. Actually, I should probably do it right now.
Yeah, I'm up 28% on short too.
I was
almost want to take that. I think it has resistance at.
Logitech's at 93.
I think when I sniped it, I think it was at 80.
Is that 80?
Was it 80?
85.
I know I did it like a month
Yeah,
ago.
yeah, right after earnings. Oh, it was before earnings, you mentioned it. So
Yeah,
it was
like
right
a week
around
ago.
90. So it had earnings dip down to 80, 85-ish. Getting some buying now.
Oh my God, maybe I am a sniper pro. What is this?
I kind of have resistance here on short. Yeah. I think it's gonna take more time to get from one leg more.
Yeah, I'd agree. I'd agree, yeah. We could
Seriously.
scale some here, actually. It's not bad.
I have so little money.
No, we should have room to 240. 244. A little bit more.
260.
I'm saying like if we want to take like a trim right around here,
Uh,
should probably wait for like 240 or so.
I think this is gonna on the 4 hour. Yeah, it's a bit extended, but yeah, I think we're gonna see 236 and then 240.
Oh, nice. Samir, 50k. That's not Vegas trip for you. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day.
That's insane, Samir. Yeah. Okay, from props. Yeah, please don't do that because we're not gonna get that payout. That's that much.
He's gonna burn all the firms of their money.
Yeah. And the typical when the other here try to take out the money.